4 raised to the power of 1 over x minus 0.125 raised to the power of 4.5 equals to 0. To solve this question, please pay attention. Do you know that 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, right? And 0.125 can be written as 125 divided by 1000. Don't ask me why. So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 over x minus 125 divided by 1000 raised to the power of 4.5 equals to 0. Okay, let me reduce this so that. Are you following? Okay, here I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 will multiply 1 over x. So I'm going to have 2 over x here. This will be equals to 125. Now, I just take this to the right hand side of the equation. So this sign becomes what? Positive, right? And 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 3. Also, 1000 can be written as 10 raised to the power of 3, right? So we're going to have 5 raised to the power of 3 divided by 10 raised to the power of 3. Okay. This will be raised to the power of 4.5. Thus you are following. Okay. 2 raised to the power of 2 over x is equals to 5 over 10 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 4.5. If you have any question, let me know now. In the absence of question, I'm going to proceed. Okay. Now, when you get to this point, do not forget that the ratio of 5 to 10 is what? 1 over 2. So I'm going to have, let's change this to 1 over 2. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 over x is equals to 2 raised to the power of negative 1 raised to the power of 3 times 4.5. That is what? 13.5. Okay. Now, do you know that 13.5 can be written as 27 over 2, right? So we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 over x is equals to 2 raised to the power of negative 1 raised to the power of 27 over 2, right? So we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 over x is equals to 2 raised to the power of negative 27 over 2. Now, the base being equal, we can set the power to be equal. So 2 over x is equals to negative 27 over 2. To get the value of x, we are going to cross multiply. So I'm going to have 2 times 2, 4. Negative x times 27, that is negative 27x is equals to 4. I'm going to have this over negative 27, this over negative 27. So x is equals to 4, negative 4 over 27, which is the final answer. You can see that the question is simple. This is just the application of the laws of indices. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, okay? See you in the next class.